Hello guys, welcome back. So today is the last episode on the Vault Collection series, and it was a short series. It had only 4 episodes, and I feel like I saved the best to end this series, and I'm not gonna say much. I already said a lot. So this is the gorgeous Bling Boss palette that I used today to achieve this makeup look. I'm not gonna say much. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look and also to see how this performs on my eyes, then keep on watching. Today I'm going to try the last palette from the Vault collection, and this is the Bling Boss. And look how beautiful these colors are. I really want to try all the colors. I think the only 2 shades I'm not going to try today are these 2. But other than that, I'm going to try my best to use all these shades right here. So yeah, let's do this. I already primed my lids, and I'm going to start with Hush Hush, this color right here. I don't know what to say about this one. It blends nice, but is not very pigmented. I think I'm going to move on. With the same brush, I'm going to take Sparks. Ooh. That seems to be very pigmented. I think I need a smaller brush. Okay, I'm going to take this one from Beach Cosmetics, and I'm going again with Sparks. I'm going back with a little bit more of Hush Hush. I'm going to blend the edges. I'm going back with Sparks, and this looks too messy for my liking, but yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, let's move on. Next I'm going to go with Rockstar. I'm going to take Sparks again. So yeah, you can't really tell where is Sparks and where is Rockstar, but it's not bad. I don't like that Sparks and Hush Hush kind of disappeared, but it's okay. I'm going to move on. Next I'm going to take just a little bit of Mystic. Oh, that's pretty. So far they blend nicely. The only thing that I don't like, and I understand that these are dark colors, but when I pile eyeshadow on top of eyeshadow, you see the transition there. Like, you see that I used different shades. So for example, I went with Spark, and then I went with Rockstar, and then Spark disappeared. I mean, Rockstar totally covered Spark, and now I went with Mystic, and Mystic covered all those shades that I applied earlier. And as you can see, Hush Hush is gone. So this is the only thing that I don't like so far. But yeah, it looks like I have only one color. Am I right? I don't know. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here, but yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I did my left eye and also I cut the crease off camera. Next I'm going to go with Bossy, and I really want to try to fit all these three shimmers where I cut the crease, so let's hope I can do that. So I'm going to start with Bossy. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but this is such a beautiful shade. I don't know if you can see that on camera. So I thought this color was a little bit darker, but I'm not mad. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to go with Glitz Glam in the center of my lid. Yeah, they look very similar. Next I'm going to go with Bling Bling. I don't know if you can tell which one is which. This is a little bit more golden. This is more like a pearly white pinkish, and this one is, I don't know. I'm so bad at describing colors, but I don't know if you can tell a difference. Anyway, so I really tried to fit as many colors as I can on my lids, but you can't really tell a difference in between these three shimmery shades. They are not bad, they are gorgeous, but all three together they kind of look very similar. But yeah, anyway, next I'm going to mix Rockstar and Spark. I'm going to blend this a little bit. So I think that's it. To highlight my brow bone, I think I'm going to use Bling Bling. I really like how these blend together. They look very nice. Next I'm going to take Bling Bling and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Oh, that's so pretty. How gorgeous this purple pop of color looks under my eye. Oh my god, this gem eyeshadow is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to use this under my eye, and that's the only shade that I used on this eye. So first I'm going to apply this with a small angled brush, and then I'm going to blend that. And also I applied this on my waterline. That's so beautiful. Next I'm going to take this pencil brush. This is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to blend this. And slightly I'm going to bring this forward. It doesn't look as blended as on my other eye, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm not mad, it's okay. Okay, so on my inner corners I'm going to use Glitz and Glam. Alright, so I think that's it. This is the makeup look that I created with Bling Boss. I think this is beautiful. The only thing that I didn't really like is about these matte shades, that they blended so much into one another that it looked like I had only one color, if that makes sense. I know they are dark shades, but when I use dark shades, like when I pile eyeshadow on eyeshadow on eyeshadow, you can still see that slight transition in there. I can see it on this makeup look, but it's okay. Overall, this palette performed very nice, very nice. I'm impressed. Okay, so here are my final thoughts on the Bling Boss palette, and honestly I feel like this is the best from all. Also, Ring the Alarm worked pretty nice, and I'm speaking only about the matte shades because those are the issues. And the only thing that I didn't like is this shade, Hush Hush. When I went with the other colors and when I blend them, this Hush Hush totally disappeared. So yeah, other than that, this performed very nice, and the colors are pigmented, they are buildable, blendable, and yeah, if I have to recommend you something from the Vault collection, I think I would recommend you Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm. I'm being honest, okay? If you really want to have, I don't know, armed and gorgeous, well, the shimmers are not the problem. They are so creamy, so buttery, so pigmented, so gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. The matte shades are not good, okay? They're not good. You saw that some of them don't blend well, some of them are not that pigmented, some of them act kind of crazy, and also you have to use a sticky base to make them work, and I'm not used to use a sticky base. I do really like my base to be set, but as I said, this is just personal preferences. So yeah, my final thoughts is if you really want to have something from this Vault collection, I suggest you to get the Ring the Alarm and Bling Boss. But yeah, I think my Vault series has come to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions or review, whatever this was. And of course I'm going to continue using them because the shimmers are gorgeous, as I said. But I don't know how much I'm going to reach for the matte shades, so that's that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. You know what I mean? Issue! Issue! Yeah. Anyway, if you really want to see